This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is. Wow.
Here we go. Come on, baby. She's going slow. There she goes. Nice. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Probably get a couple logs out of this. Cut the end into firewood. Got an 8.5 foot and a 10.5 foot log out of this tree here. It's not very good. The bark's starting to come off, so hopefully they still buy it. But the wood looks good. And I'm going to cut the rest of it into firewood. I got a cart coming to start skidding these logs. I'll show you that when it gets here. Somebody recommended it on my channel. I looked at it and I think it was a decent price. I could build one probably a little bit cheaper, but I don't have the time and I don't have a welder, so it ended up probably costing me more. This is a good example of like the front end of that log is basically plowing the dirt and brush here, so it's like acting like an anchor. So this new cart that I got, it's gonna go over the log. It has a little winch on it. You can crank it up and then I'll just be dragging the back of the log and it'll be on tires and it's gonna drag so much nicer. So I'll show you that soon. Should be here in a few days. I'm gonna get this out though, come back for this one. Alright, I'm gonna do this the same way I did last time. It's not the best way, but it works for now until I get a thumb for my Mini. I got four red oaks in already. I got 4 logs over here, 1 in the driveway. I'm gonna get them all in. I'm just gonna dump these, stack them all on, and you'll see from there. More snow, wonderful. Alright, so I'm going to come around here with the blade now and push it up on that side. Went pretty well. Until that happened, it slid back out over the top of my blade, and now I'm going to have to put the tongs back on it and pull it back up, otherwise it's going to fall out. Alright, let's see if we can fix it. starting to snow pretty good. I got 3 more logs to put in. Hopefully I can get them in that side right there. And then I'll haul them tomorrow. Alright, so I finally got the logs loaded that I've had laying around the driveway. Still have one in the woods. I'm going to wait till I get this new cart to get that one out, and I'll show you guys the cart I'm getting. It's called a log arch for 4-wheeler. So yeah, I got, let's see, 4, 8, 10 logs here. 10 logs, they're all at least over 10 inches. They have to be a 10-inch minimum. This one here is probably closer to 20 range. None of this wood's like really good wood, so I don't it's not gonna pay like super well. There's 4 red oak on the bottom. The rest of that is ash and poplar. So I don't really know what to expect to get. I'm gonna haul this load probably tomorrow, drop it off at a place. It's about 35 minutes each way, and I'm gonna strap it down now, haul it in the morning, and we'll see what it pays. I'll let you guys know. I have a lot more logs to cut down, but I want to see if because this is a little bit faster, I guess, than cutting it and splitting it and then selling firewood for roughly $250 a cord delivered, $100 a face cord. So there's at least a cord of wood there, maybe a little over a cord. So if it pays over $300 or $250 to $300, I mean, we'll see. I don't really know what to expect. It's going to be a learning experience for me. I'll take you guys along. What else? But yeah, if I can just cut the bottoms off, you know, because I got a bunch of trees. I'm trying to build a shop and maybe a house here in the next few years, and I got to clear a bunch of trees in the woods to do that. So this is just a few trees that were around the house here, and I mean, there's thousands of trees here that could get cut down. So anyways, yeah, I just want to see if it's worth my time to take logs in and sell them this way versus cut them into firewood and split them, because that takes a lot more time and a little bit more wear and tear. I don't have a log splitter yet. I just use the Fisker splitting axe. So I mean, I enjoy it, but I don't want to do it for hundreds of trees. So yeah, well, in the comments below, put estimate what you think it'll pay. There's a few 10.5 footers in there. There's probably 4 10.5 footers in there and 6 8.5. I said it's not premium wood. I think like walnut is paying really top dollar right now. I'm not sure on that, but I think it was walnut. But yeah, it'll pay a lot more, but I don't really know if we have a lot of walnut trees on the property. I haven't checked, and I'm not very good at telling trees. So yeah, guess what you think this will pay out, and once I get the video made from delivering them, I'll let you guys know what it paid. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.